your phone, take a look around you. Get out of the zone, it just might astound you. Turn off your phone, take a look around you. Hey, turn off your phone. Turn off your phone, soak in what's around you, and seek the unknown, find out what confounds you. Turn off your phone, take a look around you. Please turn off your phone. Life in two dimensions puts blinders on your vision. Lift your eyes up from the screen, see what a third dimension can mean. A slave of your own devices, you're heading for a virtual crisis. Break free from your pixelation, leave behind your alienation. Turn off your phone, take a look around you, and see what is shown, it just might astound you. Turn off your phone, take a look around you. Turn off your phone. Yes, turn off your phone, soak in what's around you, and seek the unknown, find out what confounds you. Turn off your phone, have a look around you. Forget the latest fad, lift your eyes up from your pad, see what a third dimension can add. And turn off your phone, take a look around you. Get out of the zone, it just might astound you. Turn off your phone, take a look around you. Please turn off your phone. Turn off your phone, soak in what's around you, and seek the unknown.